was out playing them sports. I'm on the block with my killers. While you was sitting on the porch, I'm off the porch with my niggas. They was on trial in court. Yo bitch ass giving descriptions. Yo bitch ass down the course. You know we down to get them, down to hit them. Yeah, if you ain't
Jamari. We got an S2K.
Oh my god.
Dude.
He needs hella body work.
Oh yeah, the carbon fiber is flaking and stuff, so like, you just scratch it a little. Give it a little scratch over here, over here. Look, ready?
Oh yeah, this ain't real.
You give it a little scratch. I should be able to make it look decent.
That's not bad. That's not too bad. Oh, I don't like the smell.
Yeah, we're gonna have to detail the entire thing.
Dude, I hate when you get
into old cars and they have the old car smell.
Cars have different smells and it fucking smells like shit. Yeah, this is low, dude. This is like long.
This is not even like lowered, so it's on stock suspension. Put some coils on this boy. It's gonna be
6-speed.
Yeah, it's 6-speed.
I know that.
6-speed, and then you push down and then right to reverse. But check out these buttons. Ooh, we need to clean these, but detail all this stuff. But like, you get a cup holder in there, one cup holder.
That's not even a cup holder, bro.
No, it is.
It's not circle.
Is it not?
It's not circular.
It is. This edge. Do you not see it circular?
Alright.
Oh shit.
Guys.
That's a cup holder.
Is that a cup holder?
That is a cup holder. Neutral. Clutch in and hold it down. Ooh, starts right up, right? It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. A glove compartment, so there's some more stuff. Oh, this is to open the trunk. It's like inside the glove compartment. And then there's one more.
What is this?
One more compartment
what
up here.
What the fuck? I didn't know that.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know about this one, but it's decently deep up here. It could fit a good amount of stuff.
9?
It goes to 9.
That's so. Oh, dude, I like how the.
Yeah, it looks like a game, dude. Straight up game
Yeah, it
out
does.
here.
Alright. You drive me around.
Alright.
Drive me around, bitch.
Alright. Push these buttons. Unhook it. There's a button right here. You push down. It unhooks. Push it, leave it back up. And then there's a button down here. That says roof. You just. Sheesh. This thing is fast, dude.
Dude, what the fuck? That's fast as fuck, dude.
So the funny thing is, like on these cars, you have to shift kind of fast.
Oh really?
So like the RPMs come up and down really fast.
This is actually kind of cool. It's like a go-kart.
It's like legit a go-kart.
Literally a go-kart.
I can see why everyone wants these things now. It's not fast, but it's not slow.
It feels nice.
Yeah, it gives you just
like the handling.
Power.
The handling feels really nice. But apparently it's still stock. You kind of cold with your hoodie?
What?
Kind of cold.
Thoughts on this? Because you know, if it ain't loud, then it ain't loud.
You fucking dumbass.
I don't know, I was going to say something, but I forgot.
Today, and you don't give a fuck.
Oh, the guy responded to NVIDIA exhaust.
NVIDIA?
Do we get exhaust tonight? Oh wait, no we can't. It's part of the bumper. Bushin'.